Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Hello everybody, my name is Xifa and my partner
Ayu. We are from Semesta Semarang, and now we will introduce you to our project that has title Aesthetic Auto Clean Trash Bin for Cat.
The first slide will present you why we make this project, why we make aesthetic actually. Here is the background. The first background is we see from the law aspect. There is many laws which discuss about the animal welfare. Where did we take from the law aspect? You can search on the internet. There's many crime cases from irresponsible pet owners who leave their pet waste, or you can say the pet poops in the public places. And the problems doesn't stop there. It has become a long chain. Because why? Because many people who don't have a pet, for example, are bothered by the cat poops or the pet waste in the public places, and they can cause a disaster and becomes against the pet owner. So what is the end of that?
Second reason, it is a pet poop on the grass. Why is that a problem? The pet poop is too acidic to be good fertilizer, so it will damage the grass. Also, the pet poop contains a lot of pathogen. Examples: Salmonella, tapeworm, E. coli, and many more. Another danger from pet poop, especially when it rains, animal waste will be swept into the discharge of air to rivers, bays, beaches, and this can cause people get sick from bacteria such as Salmonella, E. coli, and other infections.
The third background is Toxoplasma disease. The cat poop is known as the host of toxocariasis disease. Cats can be infected by ingesting ineffective of Toxocaria cati with food and drinking water. Not only that, the catty worms can infect humans. Humans can be infected by through ingesting infective eggs of Toxocaria cati found in cat feces and contaminate the soil, and it can cause visceral larva migrans or VLM. It's a dangerous disease. Who wants that? So the conclusion of our background is the cat poops or the pet waste can cause aquatic life killer, grass destroyer, bacteria factor, and contaminated water. The next slide is how do we solve the problems? Easy. We observed the problems of the pet owners in Indonesia, and we took the three main problems here. The first one is unaware owner.
An example of a very irresponsible pet owner leaving his pet faces in public places and making it viral everywhere. And this is an example of crime because pets throw their faces in front of a neighbor house until there is a fight, until finally that occurs.
The second one is poop everywhere.
This is an example of a problem caused by a pet owner in my home environment. The pet owner throws cat litter along with the sand in the water ditch. This is very bad because it can pollute the environment and create an unpleasant odor. If left like this, cat litter would accumulate in the environment. Danger.
The third one is wildcat, and we have a solution. What is solution? The solution is we educate people to be more aware. By what? By aesthetic. Aesthetic is trash bin with report and sensory distance, and we got the hypothesis that people will be more aware with aesthetic.
Now we will invite you to get to know aesthetic more closely. Let's go! So, what is aesthetic? Aesthetic is a trash bin for cat that has been designed to make it easier for pet owner. Equipped with GPY0A21 infrared sensor that detects if a cat is approaching and throw its litter. Arduino or the brain of the aesthetic will move the servo motor and release a reward. This will make it easier for pet owner to manage pet waste at home or public places. With the presence of interesting new innovation, there is a gift in the form of cat food. When the machine has finished processing the waste disposal, the prize will be issued through a tube under the litter box. Aesthetic will also participate in a movement for environment free of animal waste.
What is the aims of our project? 1. Our project is to provide the prototype aesthetic machines. 2. Our project is to increase rate of responsible awareness of pet owner. 3. Our project is to reduce pet waste in environment.
Now we will watch how does aesthetic works. Let's go! So in here there are several component tools that we use in aesthetic. Litter box, filtering, the less dumpster for poop, clean sand tank for clean sand, reward tube which contain cat food, electric mechanic device, and hydraulic. In electric mechanic device, we use three tools: infrared sensor, Arduino system, and servo motor. And how it works? The infrared sensor detects the pressure of the cat. Cat will be sit in a litter box. Littering box that has been full of poop. Hydraulic will work to transfer cat poop to the filtering. Clean sand falls into the clean sand tank. And hydraulic back to the first step. Poop will transfer to the last dumpster. Poop and in the last dumpster. And cat food will coming out as a reward.
Our project conclusion is our final animation design of aesthetic and how aesthetic works. We hope the real product of aesthetic can answer our hypothesis in the future with this lovely design. And aesthetic can be a superhero in pet waste environment problem in our country.
That's it from our team. Thank you and have a good day.